guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday night, January the 20th, and I want to show you the beginning of the super blood moon. Look at it up here. I hope I'm getting it. Isn't it beautiful? It's right there over the Atlantic Ocean, here at the Jersey Shore. Now, there is going to be a lunar eclipse tonight. I think about 11:20 or something tonight. Oh, I would love to stay up and take a video of it, but I don't know if I can do that or not. But it's going to be beautiful. The blood moon. It's when the earth actually goes between the sun and the moon, and it creates that blood color. So I would love to see it. But I'm in the kitchen, and I'm going to take my little sausages and put them in my pot and cook them overnight in the oven on 200 degrees. I usually would make this recipe in my crock pot, but I forgot and left it at Jill's when I took it up there for the New Year's brunch. Anyway, I'm going to cook it in my stub here. So the recipe is 1 bottle of Heinz Chili Sauce and 1 cup of grape jelly. So we're going to mix this together. And let me put the phone on my tripod. That way I have a little more control over what I'm doing here. Now the little sausages are the ones that I got out of the dumpster there behind Aldi that day that I went dumpster diving. So I actually had 3 packages of them, and here they are, the little cocktail sausages, and they're delicious. There's nothing wrong with them. These are the ones that I cooked that morning that I made the French toast. So let me mix up the put a little water in here so I can get every little drop of this Heinz cocktail sauce. You can find this in the condiment section. I bought it at Walmart, and this is grape jelly, not jam. So, and if you have a whisk, you know, you will want to use that, but I don't have one anymore because when I minimalized, y'all have heard me tell this story 100 times. Threw it away like an idiot. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put it in the oven, and I think the jelly will mix up a little bit better once it gets warm. And no, I'm not afraid to sleep with the oven on low. I do have a smoke alarm in the house, and I'll probably turn it off, you know, in the middle of the night when I get up to use the bathroom. I'll let y'all know, because I will come back in the morning and check on them. So I have it mixed up. I'm going to dump my little sausages in. Okay, just kind of stir it up and just let these simmer all night long. Every time I see a big full moon like that, I think about that song from, let me show you first what this looks like. So these are my little sausages. So I'm just going to cover them up and put them in that low set oven all night. Anyway, whenever I see a big full moon like that, I think about that song from the movie Arthur. I think it was first released in 1981. It starred, let's see, Dudley Moore and Liza Minnelli. And it was about this playboy, I think Dudley Moore. He was supposed to marry this wealthy heiress. And so he meets this waitress in New York City who happens to be Liza Minnelli and falls in love with her. But if you want to see it, you can watch it I'm not going to tell you any more about it. But the movie for it was, the song for the movie was actually called Arthur's Theme. But it was a song that was sung by Christopher Cross, and it goes, when you get caught between the moon and New York City, the only thing to do is fall in love. So for years I thought the song was called, when you get caught between the moon and New York City. But the song was written by Burt Bacharach and his wife, Carol Sager. And also it was co-written by, the idea came from Liza Minnelli's husband. I don't remember his first name, but his last name was Allen. And he was, he got the idea when he was flying into New York City one night, and he was in a holding pattern over John F. Kennedy Airport, and he was stuck between the moon and New York City. So he took out his notebook and he wrote that down. And then he and Carol Sager and Burt Bacharach ended up writing that song. So I'll be back in the morning, and I'm hoping that maybe if I can stay awake tonight, I'll get a little glimpse of that full blood moon and maybe the lunar eclipse. And y'all just come on back. Good night. Good morning, guys. It's Monday morning. Look at the temperature. 4 degrees outside. Let's take a peek out there. Oh, y'all, I'm just waking up. Oh. It is cold. There's no snow and no ice, so I have no complaints. Let's go take a look at those little cocktail sausages that I cooked overnight in the oven. Ooh, they smell good. Oh my goodness, they look delicious. See, they did just fine in the 200-degree oven all night long. I'm going to have these for breakfast with some scrambled eggs and toast. Anyway, like I said, I'm just waking up, so I'm not going to let y'all have to look at my ugly face. I'm a sight for sore eyes first thing in the morning. So I just want to wish everybody a wonderful day. Stay warm, and if you have a fireplace, throw an extra log on the fire. And y'all have a good day, guys. I love you, and just keep on coming back. Bye. Having the cocktail sausages for breakfast with an everything bagel. And I hope that y'all have a delicious breakfast and that you're able to stay nice and cozy and warm today. And y'all just keep on coming back. Bye, guys.